G'day mates! Welcome back to our channel. This is your host, Animal Insights. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of one of Australia's most beloved creatures, the koala. Often seen as the cuddly icons of Down Under, there's more to these marsupials than meets the eye. So grab your boomerangs and let's hop into 5 unknown facts about koalas that'll leave you amazed. Fact number 1. Did you know that despite their cuddly appearance, koalas have razor-sharp claws? These adorable marsupials use their strong claws not only for gripping onto trees, but also for defending themselves against predators. So next time you see a koala, remember to admire them from a safe distance. Now on to fact 2. Koalas are actually quite picky eaters. These leaf-munching mammals have a strict diet, consisting almost entirely of eucalyptus leaves. But here's the kicker. Out of the hundreds of eucalyptus species available, koalas only feast on about 50 types. Talk about having a refined palate. Fact number 3. Koalas may seem like solitary creatures, but they're actually quite social.